Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about the metric which is pages that load between 0 and 1 second. These are the fastest loading pages that we have, and we show a distribution of pages based by their load time. Now this is the summary section of our reporting feature, which you can access from the side menu at any point that you want. From here you can access any other site that you've got or any other project that you've got sites within, and click go to see them. You can also select the latest crawl or any other previous crawl that you want to compare data to. The two columns show the data from the two different crawls, and the difference column shows the difference between those data. So the first metric that I want to talk about here is pages that load in less than 1 second, which are marked with a green thermometer to show that they're all good because they're the fastest loading pages. We show a brief description of what this means underneath here, but it's fairly self-explanatory. These are just simply pages that fall into the category of the fastest loading web pages. You can see that on our site, all of our pages load within 1 second, and if we click this number, it'll take us through to a page that shows us the load time of all of our pages, either from slowest to fastest, or from fastest to slowest. This does this in measures it in seconds, and it also shows information about whether the page is indexable, canonical, or whether it's in a sitemap. Regardless of whether it is any of those other things, a page that loads in a very small amount of load time, a very fast amount of load time, that loads in a slow load time is going to impact the user experience. We show this distribution in a number of different areas. So we show this within the PageSpeed section of our reporting tool, but we also show this within the SEO audit section. So if you go to the SEO auditing section and the technical tab, you'll be able to see a distribution chart that shows the load times of your pages. These are color coded, so obviously we just have one column here which is green, which is fast. If you click on this, you will be able to go through to the data to see what those pages are and what those load times are. And all of the other load times are color coded to imply whether they're slow or mediumly slow or very, very slow. Anything that loads in less than a second is great. Anything that loads in less than 2 seconds is okay. Anything more than that, and you can start to experience problems with having your page not rank as well in Google. It can affect organic visibility and ultimately the user experience as well. A lot of people will click away from pages that don't load very fast. So I hope this has covered everything you need to know about that metric. I look forward to seeing you next time.